to the Novotel at Hammersmith. This is a double room. So you come in, you've got double bed. It's giving me a little bit of like Ibis kind of vibe. Obviously a bit posher. Table and chair. Obviously it's got a connecting door there into the room. There's only plugs by the bed. There's no USB that I can see. Desk with a little drawer. Hair dryer's under there. Got a little footstool at the end. Does that come off? Oh yeah. That's quite handy. Do some work in bed on my laptop or have room service. So they do have room service available. So that's the brunch. And then afternoon tea. I don't know if that's room service or if that's just, I think that might be downstairs. And then this is the room service menu. Oh my gosh, chicken tikka masala, $21.95. Fish and chips, $20.95. Yeah, I'm not sure. You'll probably go out and have something. But it's nice to know they do room service. Got quite a big TV on the wall there. Safe, which is good. Obviously the Premier Inns don't have a safe, so that's a good thing if you're travelling to London. Pop stuff in the safe. It's got a little fridge as well. Tea and coffee's on there. In here we've got like the smallest wardrobe. It's like built in onto the wall. Probably put a few on that there. And then they do laundry, ironing board in there. This is quite cool. Busy life, I'm out. Love it here, I'm in. Mum, we're definitely busy, I'm out. Full length mirror with a plug underneath, that's good to do hair and makeup and things. Bathroom. Very cool kind of sink. It's like all in one, all the way across, and then it goes down. And then got a shelf underneath. Everything. Let's have a look at the shower. A little bit dated, a little bit tired, but it's clean. Door in. So yeah, that's the double room at the Novotel Hammersmith. Just pop my stuff down, and this area here is actually quite a big space. So it is quite a spacious room, to be fair. Only trouble I've seen is I've tried to shut the curtains and it's stuck. I don't want to pull it too much. If you've seen one of my Premier Inn videos, I actually pulled the curtain and the curtain rail came off the wall. So yeah, I don't want to pull that too much, but I'm going to have a bit of a gap there tonight, which is probably going to be annoying. But yeah, good sized room.